Hey everyone, I'm back today and I'm going to be having a go at making some little ghosts out of this air dry clay. Just a little cute decoration for Halloween. So I'm just going to roll this clay out now and get it nice and flat, and then I'll be able to cut out a circle. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's rolled out nice and even as well. So I'm just going to use this purple cookie cutter with the scalloped edge so that the ghost will have a nice frill around the bottom. And I'm just going to roll it out a little bit more just to get it a little bit flatter and a little bit bigger. But I am trying to keep it still quite uniform as well. So I'm just using the end of the rolling pin to start me off with kind of pleating around the edge to make it stand up and give it that kind of signature ghost shape. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and smooth out all of the little imprints from where my nails have stuck into the clay. But it doesn't have to be perfect because anything left behind I'll smooth out with some sandpaper once they've all dried. And now I'm just trying to decide how I want the front of the ghost to look, so which is going to be the front side, so I can then just cut out the eyes. Okay, and then we are just marking out where the eyes are going to go just to make sure that I'm happy with it before I'm going to place it onto the rolling pin again, so I can use this tool to push through and create the little eyes. I'm just using the tool now to go around the edges to make sure it's not jagged. Now that I'm pretty happy with how it looks, I'm gonna do the same on the inside, just around the eyes, just to make sure that they are defined. I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. I'm just going to make the eyes a little bit bigger and smooth out some of those indents from my nails as well. So I'm nearly finished now. I'll have a little tweak, make sure that I'm happy with how it looks, and then it just needs to dry. You could paint it, but the clay will lighten up as it dries anyway, and then I'll just sand it down, make sure it's nice and smooth. But yeah, it's all finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.